we are going to create a new project. Do you know the feature of this app? The feature of the project is choose your background color. So the agenda of this project is app creation of the background color changes. The input of the project is press color buttons. The output of the is background color will be changed as the button color. So here I logged in. Now click on start new project. Give the project name as background changer. Background changer. Click on OK. Click on this and it opens. In the palette user interface, you find an option buttons. You should drag and drop 4 buttons. 4 buttons. Go to the button 1. Go down, rename it as blue. Rename it here also blue. Go to the button 2. Rename it as red. Red. Click on the button 3. Rename it as pink. Pink. Okay. Pink. Go to the button 4. Go to down. Rename it as wipe screen. Wipe screen. Click OK. Rename it as here. Click on OK. Now go to the blue option. Click on default. You can find all the colors. Click on blue color. The button will change as the blue color. Go to red. Click on default. Click on red option. Go to pink. Click on default. Click on pink. Now go to wipe screen. You can keep as wipe screen in any color. So I kept in gray. So go to the search compounds and click as horizontal arrangements. Drag it here and put it here. Now go to screen 1. You can see align horizontal. Click on that. Click on center 3. These buttons will go to the center. Now the designer part is over. So now go to the blocks part. Go to the blocks part. Now go to blue. Drag and drop the first option. Click on here. Duplicate. 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 How many buttons you made? That many. You should take these. Now see, click on this option and click wipe screen. Click on this option, pink, and last is red. Now you can see here screen 1. Click on it. Drag till you find this. Keep aside. Duplicate. 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 Now drag this and keep it in the blank place. So go to the colors option. You can find colors. So drag and drop the blue button. Go to colors. Go up. Drag and drop. Drag and drop the red button. Red color. Now drag and drop the pink color. Now go to colors, drag and drop the white color. When the blue button is clicked, I am setting background screen color as blue. When red button is clicked, I am setting background screen color to red. When pink is clicked, when pink button is clicked, I am setting background screen color to pink. When white screen button is clicked, I am setting background screen as white. Now go to the designer block. To download this app, you should generate the QR code. Now go to build option. Click on first option to generate your QR code.
This is my Android mobile. I open the app called MIT AI2 Components Inverter. To scan this code, click on this option. Now let's see the results of the app. When blue is clicked, the background screen changes to blue. When pink is clicked, the background screen changes to pink. When red is clicked, the background screen changes to red. When white screen is clicked, it comes off to normal.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. This is Shashikar from 4th Standard in Cambridge School, Bangalore.